Hi, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am doing my September nail haul. Yes, September nail haul. So I decided, instead of ordering from a bunch of places, this time I will be ordering from just one brand. It's Sales. Say hello to your new favorite. Well, y'all can't, okay. But yes, I decided to order from Kiara Sky. Okay, so this is their packaging. I haven't already opened the box, but I didn't want to break the seal, so I don't really know how things are packaged in here by Kiara Sky. So we're going to test it out. Oh, look at the little cute packaging. Is this biodegradable with water? Oh yeah, it feels like it. Let me show him. Yeah, it feels like it. Let me see. Oh, but it's a heart shape. Boop. I'm not sure if this is biodegradable with water. I never know. So they do package their things like rather well. And to me, you know, for a company that spends this much on, ooh, what the heck? Well, they just threw that in there, didn't they? Okay, so for a company that really like, hold up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. Okay, that really like, oh, this is gonna be spectacular. Okay, let's take this all out of the box. Ooh, it's heavy. I mean, I don't like pink, but they did that. Like, they really know how to package things. Okay, let's take this out the way. All right, so this is more Kiara Sky stuff, but they put this in this kind of box. This is not from the Kiara Sky website, but this is a nail supply company that does provide Kiara Sky products, and this is how they ship it. They ship it in the USPS boxes like this, inside a inside of a bubble mailer, which I'm perfectly fine with. Perfectly fine. Let me see how they did this though. Learn how to do that. Ooh, oh, well. Can we say packaged nice? I mean, I don't care if the thing isn't packaged nice. I want to know if my package needs to be secure. Okay, I think, okay. But this company like triple wrapped their stuff, and I'm not complaining about it. Like I said, if a company decides to wrap their stuff like this, and it gets to me and it's not broken and it's a really good product, I'm more inclined to buy from them than companies that spend thousands or hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars on packaging and their products are trash. I'm just saying. Okay. All right, let's see what we got. So, first box, I know what this is because I can feel it. I think it's their velvet matte top coat. I've never had a velvet matte top coat from Kiara Sky. Now, this will look better if it was an all black bottle and it was like an all black matte bottle. Okay, standard matte top coat. It smells interesting. Okay, all right, so we have a velvet matte top coat. Okay, I'm going to divide my gel polishes by what they are. So far, the first one is Sweet Plum, which is a glitter. I'm gonna put that in the glitter land. This is Winter Wonderland. Yeah, Serene Sky, which looks like a glitter. This one is called New York City. Cream color. Okay. Vegas Strip, another glitter. Baby Boo. Gleam Big. Your Majesty. Anytime I say Your Majesty, Your Majesty. Anytime I see that, I think of Scar from Lion King when he says, yes, Your Majesty. And I forgot what he did. It's been a while. Route 66, another glitter. I bought a bunch of glitter polishes. I don't have that many. And a lot of this stuff you're going to see is colors that, for those who do not know me, I hate pink. I don't like pink. I really don't. Okay, that one is, oops, sorry. This one is called Eyes on the Prize, which is a pink glitter. This one is called Amulet. It's dark purple, because I do not have, or indigo, whatever color it is. I don't have one of these, so cream color category. This one is Tickled Pink. Once again, I don't like pink, but I don't have a lot of pink gel polishes. Most of my gel polishes lean toward the greens and the blues. Let me see. Yep, greens and blues and yellows. Rarely will you see a purple. Rarely will you see reds, because I just don't like the way they look. I just don't. I'm sorry. Next one, Lunar or Later. So pinks and nudes. Yeah. This one's called First Class Ticket. Tropic Like It's Hot, which is good. It's a play on words to the Snoop Dogg and Pharrell song Drop It Like It's Hot. The song came out when I was in school. Kid when it came out. This one is Cheeky, another nude. Let's see what we got next. This one is called Matcha Latte. I do love me some matcha though. Matcha bubble tea, matcha cake, matcha tea itself. Ooh. This one is called Gypsy Soul. I tried to get colors that I knew just weren't, they're not typical jewel colors. They're just not. So first, they wrap packing peanuts around the next to the bottle, right? And then they put it in a bubble mailer. And then they put this bubble mailer in a box. And then they put that box in another box. No, they put the bubble mailer in a box. And then they put the box inside of another bubble mailer. So if UPS or FedEx or whoever is delivering this is throwing your package, the chances of it breaking is very slim. So I do appreciate this company that I ordered from. All right, let's see what we got. Cheer up, Buttercup. Yeah, but I ordered a bunch of pinks and nudes because I don't have that many. Tiramisu or tiramisu. Kind of disappointed that I didn't order better colors, but I needed it. Oh, this is the base coat. Ultimate base coat. What's this one? Ooh, this one's called Let's Get Serious. And this is the no wipe top. Ooh, something flew. This is the no wipe top coat. No wipe top coat. Okay, next one. Pink glitter. This one's called BI Pink. Man, I'm really like. Okay, another one, another pink. It's Pinking of Sparkle. Another pink. Strawberry Daiquiri. Yeah, I'm really trying with the pinks. I'm just trying. So why not try with Kiara Sky? Ooh, CEO. I don't think it's this grayish brown color though. I hope not. That ain't cute. Okay, we have Skin Tone. Now, on the Kiara Sky website, I cannot seem to locate this shade. So I was very fortunate enough to locate it on another website. And last glitter gel polish I have is Night, which is a silvery thing. Okay, so those are all of the gel polishes. There's a lot of them. I'm gonna have fun watching this. Okay, let's get into this one. So this is how they ship their acrylic powders / dip powders and other stuff. So let's open this first. So I decided to get 2 of their cover acrylics. This one is called, this one is called Pink Parade. I got the 2 shimmers. That's what I got. I got the 2 shimmers. Now be careful because I have a fan on, and I remember the very first time I opened this, my fan blew acrylic into my nose. I was pregnant too. That was just, I was scared. What wish they had covered anything. They don't. Ooh, hello. Okay. Get into the shimmer on the lid. Get into the shimmer of this powder. It's very shimmery. Is this holographic shimmer? I can't tell, but it's very shimmery. I'm gonna swatch this too. I didn't even make a swatch fix for this. Whoops. I'll be doing that later. The other acrylic that I got is a cover. These are relatively new. Like the cover powders came out this year. Now, in my I'm not a professional yet. I'm not even in nail school yet. I'm getting there. I will be soon. In my opinion, from what I have seen from other acrylic brands, or brands that have like the all-in-one powders like this, cover acrylics usually come in bigger sizes because you use them more. But I guess this was Kiara Sky's way of keeping the price down. I don't know, whatever. So this one is called Inner Glow. It's the other, they only have 2 shimmers. 3, they have 3. And 2 of them are colors. The other one's like a white. Let's open this, shall we? I always love this. Oh, this is gonna be pretty. Oh man. No, I spilled it! I spilled it, no. But look at it. This is gold. Oh, this is pretty. Like, look at that. It's very pretty and glittery. I'm very sad that I just spilled that. How pigmented it is. So this is Baby Boo. Let's tap it so I don't screw up again because I'm so heartbroken. This is just a regular blue. This is like a regular light blue, but I don't have a light blue like, wait, do I? I don't think I have a light blue like this at all. I don't think I do at all. Happened. Okay, anyway. This one is called Light Up. I'm gonna tap it down because I made that mistake earlier. Oh man. Oh, this is bright. I don't even have a color like this. This is so pretty. Oh no. That was dumb. That was definitely dumb. That was sweater. This is in the color Rose Velvet. Black Ice. It's color. This one is called Seize the Day. Get it? Is called Villain. I like the way it looked online. It does not look like this here in the container. It is glitter everywhere. It does not. But it's cool because I don't really have purple glitters like that. So we're gonna open this carefully.
So here is everything that I purchased. Thank you guys for watching my Kiara Sky nail haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.